の道は僕が決める。
The styling reflects the aerodynamic shape of Germany's classic BMW. Its front-wheel drive handling has been compared with Italy's brilliant Alphasud.
Subaru four-wheel drive takes the rough with the smooth.
欲しかったもの、自由という宇宙。オールニューレオーネ誕生1日。
最先端 GT スバルレオーネフルタイム 4WD 誕生。サファリを制したスバル、今フルタイム 4WD 完成。レオーネ RX2。
Possum Board, a favourite with the crowd and with many rally people in New Zealand. Another FIA A-seated driver, now a full-time works driver for Subaru.
Hi, I'm Mitchell, also known as the Smoking Cap on YouTube. I mainly do vintage computer repairs, but today I'm helping Ruben out doing a piece on my 1989 Subaru Amiga, also known as Leone or L Series in other parts of the world. So the story behind me finding this car is we have a local website called Trade Me. It's the equivalent to like a Craigslist or an eBay. I messaged the seller and picked it up, sight unseen of course, on the internet from good old Wellington in New Zealand. So the original owner of the car bought it brand new in 1989 off the showroom floor. He owned it up until about 2015, I think, or 14, thereabout. From what I understand, he wasn't able to drive anymore, so he sold the car through the dealership where this guy that I bought it off actually worked. So things that, and little projects that we've done on the car over the past couple of years. I've owned it since 2017, so it's been, you know, a good number of years. So yeah, 4 new struts as well, KYB XLGs, all 4 corners. I've put some tyres on it. I've also fitted a Momo steering wheel from first gen Legacy. So Japan got these lovely 4-spoke leather Italian made Momo steering wheels. So the big thing with this car, and it's been an issue since I've owned it, is it would start slowly eating into the coolant reserves and the overflow tank. And there's normally 2 issues with them. Either the intake manifold gaskets have failed and it's ingesting coolant through your intake manifold because the cooling passages run directly next to the intakes, or the head gaskets, which is very common. Given this car's a 1989 vehicle and it's got composite rubbish gaskets, well, they weren't rubbish, but I guess 30 plus years later they're bound to fail, and sure enough it got worse and worse, so bad in fact that steam started coming out of the exhaust and it smelled like maple syrup or coolant, so it was pretty obvious. Draining the oil as well revealed chocolate milkshake, I call it. It looked horrible. The head gasket failure was so bad that it actually started to leak coolant into the cylinder and would hydrolock when trying to start or turn the car over. So by that point I knew that it wasn't even going to make a trip home to the garage. We needed to do something about that. So collecting parts for these cars is actually really hard now. Rock Auto does have a few parts. They're getting few and far between. At this point in time, in 2023, you are relying on second-hand parts from donor vehicles or buying new old stock online from any web sources that you can find that are reliable.
Once that stuff's gone, that's gone.
Yeah, the production date on those parts, once that supply is used up and bought, once that stock is gone, it's gone forever. So over the past 2 years or so that I knew that the engine was going to have to come out on this vehicle, I started buying up timing belts, gaskets, hoses. It doesn't matter if it was related to directly the head gasket repair. I bought anything I could get brand new for the car, engine related. I pretty much just bought it because that stock, as I said, once it's gone forever. They're not producing these parts anymore. Did I cover that question?
That's disgusting.
That's poo water. Alright, sorry for the bad audio quality. On the camera, Ruben's not here at the moment, but nevertheless, I'm going to crack on and get this thing home. So plan is going to remove the spark plugs because the coolant's getting into the cylinders or valves and hydrolocking the engine on cold starts. So to sort of get around that, I'm going to just pop the plugs out just to make sure it turns over a little easier and doesn't damage anything. I've already done the oil changes before. So yeah, hopefully this helps some of that out. Yeah, so we'll crack into it, pop the bonnet, and I'll pull the plugs. And my spark plug socket does not fit. That might be a problem. Yeah. And unfortunately, I didn't bring any other sockets with me. Alright, Leones. They're always a little bit weird and different. So, guessing we're going on the hopes that it's not hydrolocked. Yay. Alright, I'm going to try and turn it over. Yeah. I don't think that's happening. So that oil was literally... Yeah.
How old was that? That was that. You changed that.
Ran it for
Ran
30
it.
seconds. And then...
Unfortunately, I missed on the camera there, but she was a little bit milky when it came out at first. You can see it. I wonder if you... Oh, it's not so bad.
The first part of it, when the coolant's sitting at the bottom.
Well, I hope that... Oh, you can see green in the bottom. That's disgusting.
That's poo water.
Why does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a shit?
What do you mean?
Well, it was fucking one of yous. Disgusting!
Hopefully it's less than 5 litres.
Yeah, should be right. Yeah, there wasn't much time run on that oil. It still pumped a bunch of coolant into it.
Yeah. Oh, you know where else we're going to find all the coolant?
In the
exhaust.
the manifold, where it's currently dripping out of.
Well, oh yeah, you can see like the mud in the bottom. It's not so bad.
There's been
That's
worse.
one startup though.
Yeah, that's 30 seconds. Oh, you're right.
Nice.
We didn't put a mat under the bumper. Oh shit. Oh no, your bumper. Oh no, the rear. Oh god.
We want to pull it back out.
Oh, hang on, my gripping. Oh gosh.
A lot more coolant in there than I thought.
I wonder if we tip it forwards.
Yeah. You hold it up.
Yeah.
And did it touch the bottom? I thought it was on here.
It may. I don't know, but it
I
was.
was pretty sure it was in plastic. Yeah.
It was close. What if can I like?
These dots are going to be just the right length.
I mean, it's kind of lined up, so we could just lift it on. Should I put my foot behind and stop it rolling? Oh god. Well, it's in. tools out.
Well, thanks for watching the first episode of Mitchell's Omega Rebuild. In the next episode, we're going to be pulling the heads off, and we will be finding out what is wrong. Spoiler alert, it's going to set the project back a wee bit, so look forward to sharing that one with you guys. In the meantime, thanks for watching. If you liked it, give us a little thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!
I think that might be going into your blooper reel. Flying turkeys.
Look at all those chickens. We'll start from...
Quite down to the cheap seats back there.
Start with the guy you bought it off.
Yeah. So the guy that I bought the car off, he